So how exactly did drones change the way we fight wars? Drones are not only one of the most consequential weapons to ever be built, they are also one of the most effective weapons that have ever been produced. A wide variety of drones have been developed in order to do different tasks, whether that be transporting supplies, reconnaissance, or attack roles during conflicts. Drones like the MQ-9 Reaper and RQ-170 can be sent into the battlefield to do reconnaissance or attack roles without having to send in pilots to endanger their lives over an airspace that is contested. Then you have a different type of drone known as the loitering munition, for example the Shahed-136 or the Lucas drone, that could be used to strike targets at a lower cost compared to missiles. And because of the lower cost of these munitions, these drones can be used to oversaturate the battlefield and give the enemy a disadvantage. And same results can be achieved through off-the-counter drones that are sold on the civilian level. But with the proliferation of these new drones, there has also been a push to bring in counter-drone technology in order to fight against this new threat on the battlefield. Especially when you look at the cost of lower munitions like the Shahed drone compared to traditional anti-air defense systems like the Patriot or SM-6 missiles. One example of counter-drone technology is the APKWS system, which is a modified Hydra rocket that is used to intercept drones and can be used on helicopters and fighter jets like the Apache and the F-16 Fighting Falcon. There's also the Leonidas system, which is a system that uses high-powered microwaves in order to destroy drone swarms. And finally, we have drones that intercept other drones, one example of which is the Sting system, which was developed by Ukraine in order to intercept other drones. Essentially, drones have become a new threat on the battlefield, and countries are working around the clock in order to build stuff to counter these new drone swarms.